Good morning. We got a shower going on here in California. Another storm has rolled in. So we'll see if this is the last for the year or if there is one more hurrah. This is Mornings with Michael. This is for informational and educational purposes, and sit back and we'll take a look at what's happening. Share my screen here. This is the index I didn't show yesterday. SMH continues its pullback. Some are doing worse than others. Kohu really hit the splash zone, so to speak. NVIDIA is holding up a little better. It's bounced off of its 10-day moving average. So we'll just have to see where all this goes. The dollar continues to sink. Take a look at gold. Gold is bouncing back, filling the gap that it hit yesterday. Silver up as well. Look at Bitcoin is up slightly after a big pullback to its 10-day moving average yesterday. Ethereum is bouncing off of its three averages, 10, 20, and 50. Once the people thought the banking situation, they pulled their money out. And now it looks like the yield is starting to rise again. This is why the NASDAQ is down today. $20-year yield, not doing too much. See what the bonds are doing on the 1 to 3 year. Bonds are pulling back, so the yields are going up. NASDAQ off pretty much pretty close to what it was at this time yesterday. 0.7879. S&P 500 off slightly. The VIX, interesting, it's pulled back slightly with the S&P. The Dow is up slightly, and the small cap IWM continues to be up. So it's right at its much declining 10-day moving average. We'll see if that can hold. And some issues that are doing well today. Technoglass has bounced out of consolidation. British company that does glass for commercial and residential buildings in the buildings area. Before we move into that, let's look around the ETFs. Energy, oil and energy continues to recover. It's right now bumping up against its 20-day moving average. Explorers doing about the same. Metals and mining up in between its 10 and 20-day moving average. Software is pulling back a little bit. And Transportation continues to do well. Communication services pulling back. The software and communication services were leaders, and now they're pulling back a little bit. We got the continuous rotation of trying to find a sector that'll work from the money managers. Jets is trying to pop out. And leisure activities continues its up against its declining 10-day moving average. So let's go back to see what's moving today. Biomea Fusion is up 70%. Preclinical biopharmaceutical company. That's something to continue to watch. Viking Therapeutics is up 56%. Treatment of endocrine disorders. So let's take a look at our two indexes on biotech. That one's up slightly. And this one was up slightly. So pretty interesting. Moves by these two, and index hasn't moved much at all. Alibaba going to do a reorganization, so they're up big. Baidu is up as well. Two of the Chinese issues. Another Chinese issue is up almost 5%. And McCormick is up big time, a little over 9%. Makes the seasonings for our food. PVH, children's clothes gapping up on their earnings. They were down 16%, but I guess it's more favorable because it's up 19% for the day. Now what's moving down on volume? Here's some biosciences that aren't doing so well. This, I guess, is why the indexes are kind of flat. Harmony Bioscience is down 21%. Financial brokerage in China is down 10%. Caro Pharmaceutical continues to trend down, down close to 2%. Day One Pharmaceuticals, the same thing, down another 5% today. Maris, another biotech, is down 1.7%. Patria Investments down 1%, and it looks like the shoe company On Holding continues to retreat after its huge gain. So we'll just see where that ends, see if it can get closer to 10 and 20-day moving average. Take a look at utilities continue to move up. Real estate had one day up, and now it's retreating. And the financials are kind of leveling off after their gap up yesterday. And the consumer sector is also leveling off after their big move yesterday. And take a look at builders. Our builder issues are up above their 20-day moving average and declining 10-day moving average. So that's a look at our market today. We'll continue to watch this continued rotation. The market is slightly weak today, so we'll continue to watch this and see how this pullback goes. And in the meantime, this has been Mornings with Michael for educational and informational purposes only. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday, and as we say in the business, Taco Tuesday. We'll catch you on Wednesday. All the best and keep your activities going.